Virendra Singh Gunawat in Bombay, tracking the return home of Captain Sunil James. Virendra, bittersweet moment for that family.
It is a very, in fact, it's like, they have both a mixed reaction. They are quite happy that Sunil James is coming back, but at the same time, there's another battle to be fight, and that's the grief, because he's still not accepted that his 11-month-old son Vivan has died, and he's in shock. So that would be another battle, in the emotional battle. He'll be reaching in Mumbai at 2:10. That's a flight, the landing time of the flight in Mumbai. Flight details have not been shared by the family to us and to all the media people, but we are waiting that during the day we will get all the details. The family will be going at 1 o'clock. They will be reaching Mumbai International Airport by 1 o'clock, and they'll be waiting for Sunil James to come out. And we need to check whether he'll be going straight to the hospital to see his son, and whether he's coming back to the residence place where we are standing right now. So yes, it will be a moment. It's a very shocking moment still for them to accept that the son has died. And now what next? If Sunil James come, we are expecting that the funeral part would be done either tomorrow. That's the plan, because there's a huge big crowd that is expected from a sailor association, from a seafarer association, from a navy association, and the locality. So I think all the people have supported Sunil James' family. So we are expecting a big crowd tomorrow, if it happens tomorrow, the funeral part. But yes, today it's a waiting time. A family is desperately waiting for Sunil James to come to reach Mumbai as soon as possible. Back to you.
That's right, Virendra. The family is going to be reunited under very tragic circumstances. Of course, there's no celebration, considering the mood is going to be very, very somber. The father returning home to this news of his son passing away, really. But we had heard from the family earlier, who were critical of the manner in which the government had gone about trying to secure his release. But finally, now that it's happened, what do they have to say about government's efforts in this case?
Initially, they had complained about the government rule, because Sunil James has landed in jail in Togo prison, but since July 2013, with the allegation that he had supported and two other sailors had supported the pirates in looting the ship. But from the first day, they have been running from pillar to post in the government fraternity. In fact, they had gone to ministry at the external ministry level. But right now, what they are saying, that they are quite thankful and grateful to the government that they have done their job, they have kept their words, and they have made sure that Sunil James should return back in the country. So as of now, they are quite happy from the government's role, what the role the government have played. But yes, they have a complaint, because they made a statement initially saying that Vivan had to die to bring Sunil James back in the country. So that statement still applies as of now. But yes, they are quite happy because he's coming back.